If your Honda CR-V is refusing to start, don't call the tow truck just yet. We can find the fix in 2 minutes. Statistically, 7 out of 10 starting issues on this platform are caused by a weak battery or poor terminal connections. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to pinpoint exactly why your engine isn't turning over. Before grabbing tools, check the basics like your gear position, key fob battery, and the tightness of your battery terminals. Listen closely when you turn the key. A single loud click often points to a failing starter motor rather than a dead battery. If the engine cranks but won't fire, you might be dealing with a faulty fuel pump relay or an immobilizer error. A jump start fixes a flat battery, but if you smell burning or see the security light, it's time for a mechanic. Repair costs vary wildly, from a $40 relay to over $600 for a professional alternator replacement. Using an OBD2 scanner can take the guesswork out of the process by reading the computer's error codes directly. Keep a portable jump starter and a 10mm wrench in your trunk to handle most battery-related roadside emergencies. Pro tip: always check your ground wires first, as a loose connection can mimic a much more expensive mechanical failure. Check your battery health every fall to avoid winter no-starts, and subscribe for more Honda maintenance guides.